How to approve your Facebook login from another device. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily set up your Facebook login two-factor authentication to be able to log in from another device. So the first thing you want to do is go to Facebook on one of your main accounts or main devices, and then from here you want to go to settings. Tap on the three dots and then scroll down to find settings and privacy. Go to settings. Once you go to settings, you want to head over to account center because that's where you control all of your account's actions. And then go to password and security. Then from here, want to head over to two-factor authentication. Go to your Facebook account. You're going to have to provide your password for security reason. And once you have provided your password, it will take you to this page over here. What I can do is just go back and then open it again. It's going to send you a verification code for security reasons again. You go to two-factor again and then choose Facebook. Do the same thing, provide your password and as well as the security code. So I'll just enter the code right here once I receive it on my email. Now once you have done that, you should be able to change the methods. I've currently set up my WhatsApp or SMS code to send a code to my WhatsApp or SMS. Now you can do additional methods. Tap on additional methods, and then here you could do recovery codes. So if you just tap on recovery codes, you can use these codes when you don't have access. Additionally, you could also do authorized logins on trusted devices. Tap on this one. And then from here, you could just go ahead and select your device. You can review all of the trusted devices to keep your account safe. Now I'll just go ahead and remove all of these devices. And you can remove those devices from there. That's basically it, guys. That's how you can set up and approve your Facebook login from another device. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.